of these Rip Van Wafels here. These were gifted to me, so I could tell you guys all about them, tell you how I like them and how they taste. What these are little waffle snacks. This particular box here is Snickerdoodle flavor, and there's no preservatives, no high fructose corn syrup, no trans fat, and no artificial colors or flavors. And there's only 3 grams of sugar for each one of these things. And I can tell you, I've actually bought several boxes of these before these were gifted to me, and these things are really good. On the nutrition facts, on each pouch right there, 1 serving is one of these, and there's 120 calories, 6 grams of fat, 3.5 grams of saturated fat, and 0 trans fats, 10 milligrams of cholesterol, 85 milligrams of sodium, 19 grams of total carbohydrates, and 6 grams of dietary fiber, and total sugars is 3 grams. And so let's take a look at these things here. I really like these things. They are really good. They're fantastic for a middle of the day snack. They're not very big. They're about maybe 3 inches across, but they're only about maybe 1/8 of an inch thick. But they are so yummy. What they lack in thickness, they make up for in diameter and taste. I love these things. They taste like a Snickerdoodle. Maybe a little bit of a ginger cookie in there, but man, these are good. And it's like a wafer. It's almost like it's got honey or something like that in the middle of it. But it's it's certainly got a sweetness to it. It's got a great flavor to it. You can certainly taste the cinnamon. They're chewy. They're not crunchy. They're definitely chewy. And this one here is falling apart. Like I said, the box came just totally trashed. So there's a good chance a couple of these are broken in the pouches here. But these things are really good. These would be good dipped in milk. And if you're like me and you like a little extra fat, maybe in some half and half. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm just asking for it. These things are really good. And I'm not sharing. When my wife gets back on Sunday, these might be gone already, but don't tell her. Hey, have a great day, everybody. We'll catch you on the next video. Until then, cheers, everybody. Hey, I just wanted to say a quick thank you for taking the time to watch my video. If you'd like to see more videos, the link to my Amazon storefront is down in the descriptions, and I'd love it if you'd take a little walk over there, check it out. Have yourselves a fantastic day. We'll catch you later. Cheers, y'all.